radio's not real loud.
Once I knock this door, everybody else, I'm going to pull off to the side, and everybody else is just going to roll in behind Silver, and I'm going to come in behind everybody.
I got you.
Police Department, search warrant. Police Department, search warrant. Police Department, search warrant. Hit it.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! That's my mother, man. That's my mother. That's my mother.
Put that fucking gun there! Put that fucking gun there!
It's a BB gun. That's my mother, man. That's my mother.
Charlie, 31 PD, shots fired, shots fired.
That's a BB gun. Shot? You killed my mother. Don't
PD, we have an officer down, shots fired. We need help.
That's a BB gun. I'm all right, man. What the hell?
You okay, Steven? Cover that.
Please, hurry you to kill my mother. Don't move. Please, hurry you to kill my mother. Pull him out. Pull him out. Pull him out. Please, I don't have
Troy, you good, man? Where you shot at?
your face. Put your fucking hand on her, buddy.
Hey, are you okay?
Anybody else? No, sir. There's nobody.
31 PD, we have an officer down, hold traffic.
Y'all shot my mama, man. Please, there's nobody else here.
You alright, Troy?
Fuck, you shoot me with?
Fuck yeah, you're bleeding, bro.
Man, she had a BB gun.
Fuck!
Come on.
What are you talking
Come
about?
Yeah. I got a
You shot my
trauma.
mom.
I got a trauma kit.
Did he kill my mother? They killed my mama.
Hey, come on. I got a trauma kit in my car.
I'm alright, man.
The fuck, dude? You're shot in the face, man.
It was something. I don't know what I got shot with.
Let me see. Did you see her have the gun?
Yeah, I fucking saw her pointing the fucking gun. It looked like she shot Steven. And then I come back around to cover him, and she pointed at me again, blam, and then I fucking shot.
You shoot her?
Yeah, I think so, man. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
We got an ambulance coming?
Yeah, we got an ambulance coming.
I'm cool.
All right. I have bandages and shit like that in my car. Okay.
Well,
you want me to run and get?
No, I'm cool right now. If I get lightheaded, I'll tell you. Cause we gotta get pictures of this shit and stuff.
Okay. Do what? No, sir. We're okay.
Your foot. Y'all didn't kill my mom, please. You killed my mama.
Where's she at?
She's back there.
Where's she at? Or where's she head at?
Where's she hit? Right, yes.
Yeah. You can put those up, man, please.
You clear the bedroom back here?
Please put those up, man. That's my mama.
Okay.
That's my mama.
God dang. Son of a bitch.
Where'd he get shot?
In the face.
What?
Yeah, he got shot in the face.
I wouldn't lie to you. Please put that up, man.
Hang on.
Please, man, y'all kill my mama.
Where you at? Bring up her first.
Hey, man, please. She didn't know. She was asleep, man. Don't look at her.
Yeah.
Man, y'all killed my mother.
Yeah.
She was asleep, man.
She alright, Steven?
You killed my mama, dude. You killed my mother. She was asleep. That'll be
She shot me. Shut up.
I ain't shutting up. Shoot me. Hey, shoot me.
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah.
Shoot me. Fuck you, man. You killed my mother.
I got you.
Why did you do that, dude? Why did you do
He's
that?
gonna go in the car.
Which officer?
Why did you shoot my mama, man? You killed my mother,
Troy,
please.
Troy.
Let me see my mother.
Come on.
Please let me see my mama. Man, don't hurt me. I got the bullet in my back, too.
Come on.
Oh, God, let me see my mother, please, man. Will y'all let me see my mother?
Man, it's a crime scene now, bro.
Y'all killed my mother. Hey, they killed my mama. Nay, hey. Kathy. Kathy.
Come on.
Kathy. Kathy. They shot my mama.
Hey, shut the fuck up.
They shot my mama. Oh, don't hurt me, man. I didn't have nothing. Why y'all do that, man? Come on, just tell me. You don't have to do all that, dude. Why y'all gotta do all this? Damn, man, why y'all shoot my mother, dude?
She shot one of our guys in the face, man.
Man, she was asleep. She thought, oh, fuck. Oh,
Come on, man, stand up.
Oh, fuck my leg.
Stand up.
I can't. Okay, don't hurt me, please. Why is he hurting me, dude? Tell him I ain't done nothing. Oh, fuck.
You go in my car right here.
Man, sir, why y'all treating me like this? I didn't do nothing. Shit.
You already paid me?
No, I haven't patted.
Yes, he did, sir. Just pat me. Man, can you be a little calm in what you doing? I ain't done shit. I ain't got nothing on me.
Hey, just keep your mouth shut. That's the best thing to do right
Man,
now.
you come hurting me.
All right, get that.
Look at my fucking wrist and my leg.
Get in my car.
Can you get my shoe right
Sit
there,
down.
sir?
I got your shoe.
It's
Sit
right
down.
there.
Sit down.
Somebody. Dang.
Where's your shoe at?
It's right there in the street up there, sir. Man, can
Get
you
a
talk
shoe.
to me for a second?
I'll talk to you here in a minute.
Fuck, man, this thing. Hey, this is cuff, please. It's cutting my wrist. Y'all killed my mama. Y'all better not have killed my mother. Y'all better not have killed it. Oh, I'm gonna sue the shit. I'm gonna make sure that I seen that shit. She was in the bed, no she didn't. They killed my mama.
Mouth.
He go through his teeth.
I think so.
Can you smile for us? No, you're okay. I think
All I felt was hit me in the fucking mouth, man. She
Hey, you're right.
She had a gun in her
you're
hand.
okay.
You shot at. Look at.
I'm not for sure after the fact. It might have been a, I don't know what kind of gun it was. She had a gun in her hand.